Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Angry Woman Thinks She's Entitled to Free Stuff at Walmart by PatrolCam.live. It should be a good one. Let's get it.
On August 24th, 2024, police in Waukesha, Wisconsin, responded to a Walmart for a retail theft in progress. Loss prevention advised that the suspect, a 42-year-old named Kenya, had intentionally altered the price of items at the self-checkout before attempting to leave the store. Loss prevention stopped Kenya, and she immediately became uncooperative. As officers arrived on scene,
I could tell by the way she built this is going to be a good video.
Kenya walked back into the store and attempted to return the items with customer service, but it was too late.
Hello. What's that?
She's at the service desk right now.
Okay, what's going on?
She just tried stealing. She was using a different ticket, cheaper ticket choice for a bunch of clothes.
Okay.
It was like $80.
Okay.
And we pulled her in here. She's like, all crazy. It's like, okay, let's try it. He's just running a return. So.
Okay. So she has a legitimate return right now?
She's returning. Well, she never paid for the items that you might sell.
How the fuck you gonna return something you ain't never paid?
She's returning the stuff that she used. So
I ain't gonna say nothing.
$10 short ticket, right? She didn't have a short. She's technically returning that, but she doesn't have a short. Yeah, this is her.
Hi. Hey, we gotta talk to you.
No, you don't.
She's gonna be combative.
You don't know me. We don't got no problem. I just got done exchanging everything. They got everything together. This is what's paid for. I just like the counter.
Okay. So what's the misunderstanding?
Because he said I under wrong, but they can't find these shorts. Like I told him, I'm gonna pay for everything. I just spent $500 in here.
Okay.
$250 in one line and $200 in another line.
Why you just spend it all together like at one time?
He said I under wrong, but how did I under ring? So I pay for everything else full price besides 2 fucking joggers. Get the fuck out of here. And I'm telling you the same thing I told him. I don't play no games. I got an autistic son. He watched everything. He said that clearly I underrun that, but I didn't.
Just because your son got a disability, they ain't gonna stop you from doing dumb shit like what you doing right now.
Everything is there.
These shorts are, she was using this keep it right, skate, and it was like, you get like some sweatshirts and stuff like that. So that's why she doesn't have any shorts. She used this $10 ticket to skate, and it's about 80 inches close, and that's when I was talking. She's saying, I mean, she has like the actual other ticket in her hand, and she's like putting it in front of the thing, scanning it. This is neither yet. So okay. So if she paid 40,
She know what her bad build ass was doing.
tried taking that.
Oh, I guess the things that she was trying to
Yeah. So it came out to about 80 something, I think.
Do you have that receipt?
Yeah, I do, yeah.
One up.
To make purchases, or did you come in to do a return?
No, we just got done shopping. I just spent $500 and something in this bitch.
Okay.
What?
It look like you ain't gonna be able to come back to this one.
But it sounds like you didn't actually buy shorts.
And this is what I'm telling him. I did have one pair of shorts for $5. They're in there on the counter. The other pair was Army fatigue. They were over there on the counter. Everything I did, Miss Lady, is over there. All the receipts, the lounger, everything is over there.
So
every single thing.
So how did 4 or 5 different shorts
And this is
pop
the thing.
up on?
Because
That part.
You're missing. This is a totally different price. These are all things that's supposed to be on clearance, I guess. So these are all the things that I grabbed out of the store. So that's what they rung up as. And like I told him, I got all the items right there. So if it rung up, you see, I rung it plain as day. Every single item, every one. But I'm not gonna. And this is what I'm saying. So all my.
She get mad because she don't know what to say. That's why she keeps saying, this is what I'm saying. What I'm saying is your ass about to go to jail.
All you had to do was come to me and say, hey, so
I wasn't even gonna call
Hold on, y'all. I got something cooking. I'll be back.
You guys want to go on?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We are gonna have to take you into custody.
crazy as
Okay.
hell. For what?
So because for the misringing.
Hold on, wait, stop, don't grab me.
Don't fight
Hold on,
with me.
wait, I'm not fighting
Don't fight
you.
with me
Wait,
or
stop.
I'll-
Excuse me, wait.
Your arrest opinion. We're not gonna fight
Stop,
you.
because I didn't under ring.
Okay.
What is y'all talking
That's
about?
something that you'll have to argue
First of all, let go of my.
They got you on camera, baby.
No.
Kenneth, you're under arrest.
Stop. First of all, hold on.
You are under arrest.
Stop. Listen, please. I'm telling you, listen. Miss Lady, you don't gotta do all this.
Let go of your thing.
Please stop.
You are under arrest.
I understand that, but please stop.
That is a big.
Fight with us.
I'm not fighting. I'm just telling you. I'm not with that.
Ooh.
I don't got no problem.
stomach.
I'm I don't got no problem with that at all, but y'all not finna just manhandle me like this for no fucking reason. It's my baby's birthday. Y'all sick as a bitch for this. And I mean sick as fuck.
No, you sick as fuck for trying to steal from somebody that didn't master getting stole from. Walmart is notorious for people doing dumb shit. Right? They didn't crack down on it, baby. This ain't that.
Hell no.
Hands behind your back, you're gonna get tased.
You could have did this in '98. You know what I'm saying? Early 2000s. They ain't had cameras like that back then. But now, yeah.
You're under arrest.
What tactic are you using?
He's like trying to fight Medea, I bet.
Why are you elbowing me?
Taser.
She glad they ain't give her the people's elbow.
For what?
Shit.
For what? Why are you tagging? What are you tagging? Tasha! What?
She said, "Oh, bitch."
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Tasha, take my phone. Tasha, take my phone. Tasha, just take my phone. Just take my phone, Tasha.
Put your hands
Just take my phone. Listen, when I say you lost your fucking mind.
No, you lost your mind. Cause why wouldn't you just get down and just take the arrest?
When I say,
and then you're under arrest.
why do you mean?
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Tasha, please record this. Please record this because she's kneeing me and punching me. Tasha, record it. Record it.
Hands behind your back.
Record it, Tasha.
Oh, they ain't got no men in there. It's just two women.
She's choking me. She kneeing me. Look at her.
Let's go, Kenya.
Hell no.
Do it now.
You crazy as a motherfucker. On my soul, she not. They done tased me twice already.
Let
I got a heart problem. You're finna kill me.
Yeah. Now you got the heart problem.
go. Get your hands behind your back.
What's wrong with y'all?
Hands
What?
behind your back.
All right, I ain't gonna lie to you. I will keep playing with this big. I'm about to pull out the gun now.
What? What?
Hands behind your back. Keep them there. Stop resisting.
Where is the men at?
Kenya.
You mean,
Put your hands behind your back. Get down on the ground on your stomach.
baby?
There we go. There go the cavalry.
There's all paid for, my gift card and everything. I'm not resisting. I am a pregnant woman. Why is you steady doing my wrist like that?
Yeah, ain't nobody got you pregnant.
I'm a pregnant woman. Hold on. I don't got no problem not resisting. I can lay on myself. I'm pregnant. I can't
Get down. She's got her again.
I'm pregnant. I can lay on my side.
Shit.
I can't lay on my stomach. I'm pregnant. I can't lay on my stomach. I'm pregnant. I'm not refusing. I'm not refusing. I am a pregnant woman.
There you go. There you go right there.
I am a pregnant woman. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
Relax.
I didn't do nothing, Tasha.
Relax.
The last thing you can ever do, and the most stupidest shit you can ever do, is resist arrest. If they say you are under arrest, put your hands behind your back, just do that shit. What's so hard about doing that shit? It beats getting tased and shit. Like, this sucks so bad to watch this, bro.
Listen, that's 5 times they tased you. That's 5 times they tased you.
Cause you didn't listen. What do you mean? That's 5. You didn't listen, little baby. If you listen, you wouldn't have got zzz, you know?
For nothing, y'all. For absolutely nothing. They tased me for nothing. When I
Is she bleeding?
say for
Oh no, them zaps ripped her shirt. Okay.
nothing, that, oh, god damn. Damn. Them was some voltages on the G. And I'm pregnant. And she need me. And she punched me. Damn.
Kenya, just relax.
All it is because I did not steal. Y'all got me in trouble.
216, you have an ambo
So
coming,
why
correct?
y'all twisting my wrist like that?
You guys are not relaxed. You're
I'm
fighting.
definitely relaxed.
Okay.
I'm not fighting at all.
Relax.
Y'all dead ass wrong. When I say y'all dead ass wrong,
I should have told y'all that this was gonna be Bush just from the tattoo on the eye, the little Mike Tyson thing she got going on, and then the hair. Cause ain't nobody just walking outside like that that's in their right mind.
I mean y'all dead ass wrong.
That's childish, cause that hairstyle is to make your hair grow, baby. You about 30, 40 years old. That shit ain't growing yet. You need to start taking some vitamins.
Bring your ankles together. Take the slack out of
Whole time for police, but I stole it.
Yeah, okay.
That is crazy. Whoa.
What is that?
Hey, get you some better training, Miss Lady. You didn't have to punch me. You didn't have to punch me. You didn't have to knee me because I wasn't resisting. You had no right to put your hands on me.
You was not going down, ma'am, and you a big bitch. They was not finna keep playing with you.
None whatsoever, Miss Lady, because I wasn't resisting. I didn't lay on my stomach because I was pregnant. When you told me to slide down, I slid down, but I didn't get on my stomach. She punched my soul. Pay for everything. Everything. That's their fault.
Hold on, is that the Booty Warrior sister? Y'all know who the Booty Warrior is? If y'all know who he is, go look him up.
That's their fault. They let me leave.
Is it a lower abdomen there?
I was finna get ready to leave. I paid for everything.
She's on her way back with that tool. We good to have a seat?
Y'all did all this whole ass shit.
It's in the lower abdomen, so let's wait.
I paid for everything. I came in this.
You gotta get that stomach, and you gotta like do this right here. You gotta do this procedure. Yeah, that's how you gonna get to that.
Bitch with $500.
Let the officer grab it out
Snatch
there.
that motherfucker out. Snatch that motherfucker out. All this at Walmart for me?
Yep. You caused it.
You're resisting, Kenya.
I didn't resist though. I didn't resist. I did not.
That's her story, and she gonna stick to it. God dang it! And don't make her question it.
At all.
Kenya was transported to the Waukesha County Jail and charged with retail theft by altering the price, repeater, resisting an officer, repeater, and attempting to disarm a peace officer. Her cash bond was set at $2,500.
Yeah, that ain't that bad. You can get out of that. What? Cash bond was set at $2,500.
In
She had to pay $2,500 or $250.
conjunction with other criminal traffic offenses from prior cases, she was sentenced to 10 months jail time with Huber release and 3
Damn.
years probation.
Damn.
All my time I've been out here, I ain't never had to walk this walk. Ever.
Woo! Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment as well. Last but not least, click that pinned comment below for the last video of tonight. It's going to be the pinned comment for the Deuce Live Reacts channel. It's going to be premiering 10:28 U.S. Chicago time. So if you not on Chicago time and you on like East Coast time, this is going to post at 11:28. If you on West Coast time, it's going to premiere at what? 8:28. So that's it, baby. We out.